Welcome. Today we're going to walk through how to use the one-click NexentaCloud deployment from within the NexentFusion interface. We are starting at the All Appliance view, where you can see a few Nexenta Store instances as well as one NexentaCloud instance already in place. The new Deploy NexentaCloud application button allows you to bring up the first screen detailing where NexentaCloud works, as well as the first initial set of instructions. You are going to need access to the AWS Marketplace just to accept the end-user license agreement. Once you have all your security credentials set, you will see your access key listed on the bottom. Now we are able to start to deploy the instance. Really, it's only two screens to get all the information we need, the first being your appliance, so we will call this example 123. You can either use the instance ID as the appliance password for when you want to log into the appliance afterwards, or you can go ahead and set it to something that matches your administrative scheme. Next, you want to make sure you set the time zone. The time zone is critical for making sure that you get the analytics that you're provided from within NexentaCloud. You will also note that the NTP servers are set automatically to match NexentFusion. After you've got all your basic information about the appliance set, we need to know where to put it. So we are going to go ahead and look for which region we want to put it in. Please note all the AWS regions are available. Now we're going to pick the appropriate VPC, along with the appropriate subnet. Next, you will select the security group to open the needed ports. You can use an existing security group, or you can create a new one using the new default group button. We have also enabled termination protection to prevent somebody from accidentally deleting the system. Override subnet can be toggled off if you would like to have a public IP. We recommend that if you activate this toggle to not have public access to your storage. However, this is dependent on your AWS implementation goals. Next is to determine what size and use you're going to use the appliance for. In this case, we're just going to do a demo. This is similar to a POC, and you can choose your disk size. There is also a high-performance workload using larger SSDs or a backup and archive solution with even larger disks. Each size auto-sets the correct instance type. For this demo, we will just pick 7 terabytes of a POC to get us started. Click Continue to review the NexentaCloud deployment wizard prior to deployment. Next, click Deploy Now and you're off to the races. It can take up to 30 minutes to deploy and you will be sent back to the All Appliances screen. You will see the system is already deploying. We have seen the 300 terabyte systems deploy in as little as 5 minutes. Now I could set a stopwatch and let you see it, but your easiest way to do it is actually just go get NexentFusion and install it as either an OVA, install it as a Docker container, or deploy it out in AWS as well and try it out. There's trials available the whole way, including even on the smaller scales and those POCs you can do with NexentaCloud. That is all that is involved to deploy NexentaCloud. You will shortly have your own NexentaCloud instance ready and available for you and your users.